Next, press the sinking part of the drainage hole for stamping. First, enter the punching process. Use a stamping machine to drill drainage holes at the bottom of the water tank. Look, this is what it looks like after stamping. Next, we will enter the cutting process. According to different styles of sinks. Cut out different shapes of sink bodies. Remove after cutting is completed. Next, press the sinking part of the drainage hole for stamping. Stamping completed. Next, we need to pull out the water guideline of the sink. Process effect. Our corner position of stamping water tank to achieve the required arc angle for subsequent welding. Stamping completion effect. Next, the bending process. Bending the tank body to form a preliminary outline of the tank. After folding, form a preliminary outline. Next, we will proceed to the welding process. Manual welding for more meticulous quality. Welding completed. Next step, perform seam pressing. Make the groove more snug. Next, hydraulic corners before processing. Using a corner press hydraulic the sharp corners of the sink into a smooth shape. Smooth shape after hydraulic pressure. Next, automatic welding. Make the edges of the pelvic gallbladder neat, convenient for subsequent polishing. Please see the effect after processing. Next, handle the panel. Welding panels together. Weld it into shape. Manual welding completed. Next, flatten the panel to make it even. Continue welding. Weld the panel together with the sink body. The final step of welding, hole welding. The welding is now complete. Next, enter the polishing process. Now we have carried out the sanding belt step. Polish the panel smooth. The process panel is very shiny. Continue polishing. To polish the edges and corners of the sink. Polishing details. Continuously polishing details until polished smooth. Let's take a look at the process results together. Next, we will proceed with the sand pushing process. Remove the protective film from the surface of the sink first, then use different tools to polish different positions. Repeatedly polishing and polishing until the surface of the sink is smooth and even. Further polishing and polishing of the details until the overall sink is smooth and shiny. See the effect after processing. Next, stick the mute pad. Applying a mute pad can reduce the sound during use. After pasting, entering the spraying process. After spraying, enter the dryer. Dry the paint surface of the sink. After drying, enter the grinding and wire drawing process. Last grinding, the sink has been finely polished again. Make it more shiny and smooth. Finally, a very shiny sink surface is finely ground. Next, proceed to the final cleaning and bagging steps. After cleaning the surface of the sink, bag it. Pack the bag and prepare for the marking process. Using a laser marking machine, engrave label styles that meet customer needs. Final packaging. Pack the sink accessories and sink together. Add foam pad to prevent bumpy road. Load the sink into a box. Apply adhesive tape, store together, and prepare for shipment. At this point, all processes are completed.